Hey guys, I'm not gonna lie, life's been a bit stressful lately, and that's why when I was in the bookstore and bought too many books, I saw this at the checkout and I said, I gotta have it. This is the This Is Fine dog from KC Green. If you haven't read Gun Show, by the way, it's an amazing comic. I absolutely love his writing. But anyway, this is a little talking figure of the internet's favorite dog. So yeah, this is fine with the question Hound. And yeah, just keep telling yourself this is fine. So let's open it up. So inside we have, this is Question Hound. Oh, and then we have the a version of the comic from Gun Show. That's beautiful. And we have a battery installation, so we need 2 AAA batteries. Okay. Let's see. All right. And there's our little guy. This is fine. Okay. And we have our flames here. Okay. So let's just open that up. Okay, so we got the big flame in the back, the flame here. And another little flame here. Ain't that cute? All right, and looks like we do need a screwdriver to put in the batteries, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got 2 rechargeable batteries. Well, it's a little tricky to get back on. Okay, nice and tight, that's not coming loose. All right, let's push the button. So I've dimmed the lights, and now I've got them on the turntable. As you can see, push the button. The flames actually also light up, which is very cute. It's not super bright, so it'll look best in the dark. And the lights stay on for a little bit. So yeah, overall, this is a cute little desk toy. It's a great gift for someone who either loves this meme, or heck, everyone should love this dog if they're if life's just not going their way. This dog is sure to capture the spirit of their mood. So yeah, I love this dog. If you're interested in picking these up for yourself, I'll put an affiliate link in the description below. And if you haven't read Gun Show already, I'll put a link there. KC Green is hilarious. Gun Show has finished as a comic, but I highly recommend reading it. It's great. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.